Welcome. In front of me is a TECNO Spark 20 Pro Plus, and today I'll show you how you can boot this device into Fastboot mode. So, to get started, we will first need to turn off our device by holding power button. And from there, we're gonna select power off. When the device turns off, hold power button and the volume up at the same time. And once you see the logo, you can let go of the power button but keep holding volume up. This will first bring us to this page right here, the little Android logo with no command. So to get past this, we're going to hold the power button, and while holding it, press volume up once. This will redirect us to the recovery mode. And here, using volume buttons, we can select either reboot to bootloader or enter Fastboot mode. Both of them will access Fastboot mode. The only difference is the Fastboot mode here, the one that is actually named so. When we confirm it, by the way, you navigate using your volume buttons and confirm it using your power button. This one will take us to the Fastboot mode, in which one we still can navigate and select other options, while if I select the other Fastboot mode, which I mentioned, so reboot to bootloader, you will see that this one doesn't really have a menu. So this is also Fastboot mode. Just to leave this one though, we will need to hold power button and volume down. Once the screen turns off, you can let go of the two buttons. And there we go. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.